Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala uba Presiden Song. Ulaong bakamlong kabadai ban Ïakynnoh Kajala Meghalaya halor ka Jingshlei Assam namar baka Assam kadon Shapoh katba ka Meghalaya kadon Shajrong nakatakadaw baka katuot sa Assam. Habakran shkilat patay kubor hagasngi balang uba Presiden ulaong baka Kajala kamla ban tip lupa lano banwan uslap ubajur bat haba uwan uslap ka Jingshlei kalong bet hakibenta ba Shapoh shalor ni hakijakalum. Haba omdon kinala ni Jingtei babyang hakijaka kibadon hakibenta ba Shapoh kumta kanwan hi ka Jingshlei ngimla bantip lupa lano banwan uslap ubajur ni uslap bomjur. Uba Presiden ulaong bakamla bandong ban Ïakynnoh bomdei halor kani kumta kani ka Ïakynnoh man kapor ka Kajala Meghalaya kadai namar bangidon hakibenta ba Shajrong katba ka Assam kadon hakibenta ba Shapoh kumta ngimla ban Eiei laong uba Presiden. Kamla banlong baka Assam kan Ïakynnoh ya ka Meghalaya kumjuru kamla bandong baka Meghalaya kan Ïakynnoh ya ka Assam balingi hap hakajaka ba shalor bat balegi hap hakajaka ba Shapoh kumta baro ar ngidon ka jing baklalang bat ngi hap ban Ïakynnoh lang markat ju laban rap uba Presiden.
The flood happens because of what? It is not in the hilly. It happens in the lower level. When you are in the lower level, if a proper drainage or a proper infrastructure is designed, so naturally it happens. And you can't even know exactly when are we receiving heavy rainfall or low rainfall. It's not possible, humanly speaking, to foresee all these kind of challenges. So therefore, I think this blame time and again, I think comes to Meghalaya. It comes to Meghalaya easily just because we are in the higher level, whereas Assam is in the lower level. So we can't help it. I mean, it's not possible to directly blame to Meghalaya, or it's not possible Meghalaya also to blame Assam. I think ultimately we are responsible, both. We are together responsible. Why do we have a low level? Why do we have high level? You understand my point? So we both are equally responsible here.
So, Union Minister.
In fact, the concerned consultant engaged, whether by the state or by the central government, that component is already there. They need to also take into consideration all these issues. Drainage system has to be properly done. Then again, maybe the culvert system has to be also in place. These are the issues where they have already taken care of. And then yes, about this coming project, because see what happened is Assam, they will have a 6-lane ring road. So it will be benefited to Meghalaya too, because from Sunapur, again we will convert our Meghalaya road towards Silchar as a speed corridor. And from Sunapur somewhere it will connect somewhere in this Ribhoi site only, that speed corridor, and it will be meeting here somewhere in that Umyang, yes, in that that speed corridor which is high speed right now. Yeah, yes. Sir.